Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to learn nth highest salary and second highest salary, which is one of the most important interview questions. So let's start the video. So now let's start with one of the most important interview question, that is nth highest salary. And the next one is second highest salary. It is a variation of that only. But we'll do the second highest salary in a different manner also. One would be the journalized manner, that would be the nth highest salary, and one would be the special method for second highest salary. So now let's first of all see what is the question. So in the question, you are actually given a table where you are given the ID, the name, the salary. Okay, let's suppose you are given ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, name be A, B, C, D, E. Let the salary be 10K, 20K, 30K, 40K, and 50K. We are not going to write it like K, we'll be writing 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000 and on. But I'm writing it for easier part only. Okay, so now the question is, if somebody asks you that, can you tell me the highest salary? You'll be like, obviously, I can tell you the highest salary. I'll just write select max salary from the table. Alright, so this is fine. I'll get the maximum salary, that is 50K. Now, the next question arises if somebody asks that, can you please tell me the name of that employee which is getting the highest salary? Again, that would be much simpler, and here we are going to use the subquery part only. Now we know the value of the max salary, right? It would be 50K, and we can fetch it out from this query. Now our next part would be select name from this table, that is the original table. What is, you can say, let it be T underscore name, where salary equal to this one, that is 50K, and you can put it here. Okay. Next one would be if somebody asks you that, could you please tell me the second highest salary? So now there is a way of solving it. First way is that you calculate the highest salary, max salary from the table name. Sorry. Right, now you have the maximum salary. In the next step, you can write one more query, that is a nested query only, a subquery, where you will be saying that again find the max salary where the salary is not equal to this one, this max. Okay, how? I'm going to tell you. First of all, let's open the workbench. Let's quickly open it. Okay, first of all, let's quickly make it name. Let it be employee only, and we'll create a new table. Let the old tables be as it is. Yeah, EMP has been created. Let's quickly insert the data into it. Okay, I'll insert the data here only. I'll write insert into EMP, and what would be the values which I thought I'll be giving. I'll say that, okay, I'll give 1 and let the name be A, and let it be 10,000 rupees. Similarly, I'll be giving it to all. A, it is 2, 3, and it is D. D is getting salary 40K. Then E is getting salary 50K. Let's quickly insert it and let's see the table. Yes, this is our table. Now let's write a query to first of all find the maximum salary. We all know that. Select max salary, yeah, from, what is the name of the table? EMP. See, that is 50,000, and we can use alias also, that is as salary. This is as is known as alias. That is, it is used to give a name to that column. Okay. As salary, I guess there might be some, let me see. What is the issue? You are having a SQL syntax, check the manual. I guess there might be the issue because salary is already declared, if I'm not wrong. Yes, because salary is already declared, that's why it is not giving. So I'll write income. No issues. Yeah, income is 50,000. I know that this is the maximum salary. Let's come over to the slide. This was the way by which we found out the maximum salary. Now, if we want the one which is getting the maximum salary, how we are going to get that? No issues. Now we have the maximum salary. We can straight away, let's leave this for now. Select, what do we want? Name from, what is the name of the table? That is salary, where emp dot salary, let me check. Yeah, emp dot salary is equal to, sorry, this is wrong. This should be emp. Yeah, where emp dot salary should be equal to this whole. Right. Yes. See, now we have the name. If we want name comma salary, emp dot salary, it will print the salary also. Okay, so by this way we were able to find out the one who is getting the highest salary. Now we'll move on to the original question, that is the second highest salary. For that, what we can do is select, again we can write select max under max salary. Yes, max salary from EMP, where EMP dot salary not equal to this. Let's see. See, it is printing 40,000. We can give alias. Now the reason is, I'll do a dry run for this query. First of all, yeah, let's decrease the size. Yeah. So the query says that select maximum salary as income. Income is an alias from this table. So when it comes to check all the entries for the maximum, we have given it one more condition, that the salary which you are considering should not be equal to the max. For this table, max is 50. So when it is checking for the max, it would be checking with 10, 20, 30 and 40. It won't be checking with 50 because we have already given a condition that it cannot be equal to 50. Now the question arises, so what will happen if we now want to find the name of the guy who is getting the second highest? Again, then now one more nested query. How? As I taught you previously also, now we have the second highest salary, right? So if you have the second highest salary, just write name, comma, salary from, what is the name of the table? EMP, where salary equal to this one. Right, let's run this one. So D is getting the highest salary, and that is, sorry, D is getting the second highest salary, and that is 40,000. But the question arises, sir, we are able to write a nested query for like 2 or 3, we can go up to 3. But what if the database is very huge and they ask us to write a query for like say 20 or 30 or 100? Then it would be very, very, very tedious for us to write the same thing again and again and again and again. Okay, for that part only, we use this journalization, that is the nth highest salary. Nth highest salary. First of all, let's see what is this. So you might be knowing that, okay, the nth highest salary would be the one which is actually, let's suppose if n is 1, then it would be giving the highest salary. If n is 2, then it would be giving the second highest salary. If n is 3, then third highest salary. How are we going to do this? Let's see. First of all, let's write the query, and then I'm going to do a dry run on that. Okay, let's delete it. Yeah, so we need the nth highest salary. So let's suppose if we want the highest salary only, let's keep it okay, let's keep it, for now let's keep it star only, from EMP, and let's say we'll keep it as E1, as E1. And before that, what I need to do is I need to write one more thing, that would be where n minus 1, obviously we are not going to write n minus 1, I'll tell you, is equal to select count, don't worry, I'll explain you what I'm writing, count of salary from EMP as E2, where E2 dot salary is greater than E1 dot salary. Now you might, first of all, let's suppose if you want for say for if you want for 3, so we'll write it 3 only. 3 is there, yeah, third highest salary. Third highest, no, it should not be third highest. Oh yeah, I forgot, it is n minus 1, no? So if we want the third highest salary, let's suppose for the first highest salary you can straight away write it, but if you want for like second highest, you can write 2 minus 1. So if you write 2 minus 1, that would be the second highest salary, second highest. If you want the third highest, you can write this. If you want the fourth highest, you can write this. If you want the fifth highest, you can write this. Right. Now let's come over to what it is written. I'll write it in the Jamboard. So what I have written, select, leave it, I'll take a new page only. Select star from EMP as E1, where you were writing like n minus 1 is equal to select count of salary from EMP as E2, where E2 dot salary greater than E1 dot salary. So what it is written, I'll show you with the help of the table. First of all, what I have done is, my table is, let's suppose it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and it is 10K, 20K, 30K, 40K and 50K. So now what happens? Let this be E1. See, why I have taken E1 and E2? Had I not taken E1 and E2, there would be a confusion. Why? I'll tell you. See, what I'm doing is, I'm first of all taking the salary 10K and comparing it with the same table only, okay? The copy of that table. So I'm comparing 10K with this. So is 10K greater than 10K? No. Is 10K, is 20K greater than 10K? Yes. Is 30K? Yes. Is 40K? Yes. Is 50K? Yes. So now we have 4 yes, right? So now because we have 4 yes over here, so it will be actually giving us the count as 4. And 4 we know that if we write n as 5, I was writing n as 5, so n minus 1 was 4, it was automatically giving us the 5th highest salary. This is the reason why it is giving. I'll show you for another examples also. Let's suppose if it was 20, then what will happen? All the values which are less than equal to 20 won't be considered. That is, 10 won't be considered, 20 won't be considered, only 30, 40 and 50. So it will give us a count 3. That would again be the 3. 3 is here. So if it is 3, then what is n? N minus 1 is 3, then n is 4. So according to this, this is the 4th highest salary, which we know that is true. We can see it. Now there is one more thing which I want to add, that while writing this thing, do write distinct. Now you might be wondering why I have written distinct. See, the thing is, let's suppose if there were okay, I'll erase this part. Yeah, let's suppose there were more than 150K. So there was one more 50K. So had I written 10K, then for 10K this would be true, 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 true and true. So it would have given us the count of 5. So for 5, it would mean that 5 equal to n minus 1, which is 6. So this means that now 10K has become our 6th highest salary. But we know that we only have 5 different types of salary. That is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 50. But the problem is we are considering 52 times. That is the reason why we need to keep distinct. Please do keep in mind that you write this distinct keyword also. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please do share and subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you.